Did you know research has found that there are 8.9 billion or more gadgets in the globe, which is more than there are humans? There are times when a few simple activities can seem overwhelming, and there are always brilliant gadgets that make it easier to handle these daunting daily tasks. In this video, we will see 5 such gadgets which will help you save some space in your home. Number 5. High and Dry Dish Rack by Black & Bloom. Replace your outdated dish rack with this modern high and dry dish rack by Black & Bloom to maximize space on your kitchen counter. Its architecture is both pretty clean and lovely, drawing inspiration from the modern world of space-saving solutions. High and Dry may be folded into a flat profile for simple storage, and flexible pointed spikes are used to keep glasses upright so they can dry more quickly. A really helpful element for my particular kitchen setup is the main dish rack's ability to be quickly removed from the draining tray and utilized independently. In comparison to the highly repetitive designs featured on most other dish racks, we believe this superb kitchen decorative addition represents a significant development. Number 4. Yard Stash 3. With new features for even more excellent space-saving outside storage and protection, the Yard Stash 3 builds on the popularity of the top-selling and best-rated Yard Stash 2. This device gives you a platform to protect your bike, just like Gazebox, but we think this one is more useful. Unlike Gazebox, which has a polycarbonate frame, Yard Stash 3 has a vinyl tarpaulin roof with UV 50+ protection. The door of this outdoor storage has full top and bottom zippers, ensuring that it is entirely sealed and providing total protection from water, dust, and vermin. You can set it up or take it down in less than 15 minutes, owing to the sturdy, weatherproof, and UV-protected materials that it is made of. A free carrying bag is also included with every order for convenience. Number 3. Better Basket General Purpose Utility Basket. Have you ever been in a situation where you came home with new clothes that you bought from a sale and now you can't find space in your house to store them? Then worry not. Better Basket's got you covered. Better Basket is a brand in the home and kitchen industry, offering a wide range of laundry baskets to its customers. The super durable all-fabric mesh utility baskets from the brand can be used for a variety of purposes, including laundry, shopping, travel, picnic, sports, the pool, beach, fishing, camping, RVs, offices, and more. The prices of Better Basket items range from $14.99 to $49.99, with a total average cost of roughly $22.82. We discovered that BetterOrganized.com is the primary manufacturer of Better Basket products. Better Basket receives a consistent supply of goods from the manufacturer, and the two organizations work well together. Better Organized is a seller where you can buy Better Basket products. Number 2. Zip & Store. With Zip & Store, you can store, organize, and find your food more efficiently than ever before. For individuals who adore having a tidy kitchen, this product is perfect. Zip & Store is storage made simple and easy, offering 3 options to help you keep your food. Storage bags are not only smaller, lighter, and more portable than air-filled Tupperware containers, but they also keep food for a more extended period of time. After spending hours testing various storage bags, they developed the Chop and Fill Mat. It's the best answer to this issue. Items from Zip & Store are made to fit almost all cabinets and as many refrigerators and freezers as possible. Simply refer to the samples on their website for the refrigerator measurements and take your own measures. The critical length is red. It represents the necessary minimum depth, and if your refrigerator is more profound than that, it fits. Number 1. Black Walnut Vertical Bike Rack. Can't think of a better way to showcase your bike while you store it indoors? The first priority is a solution that guarantees your precious bike will always be safe. An indoor bike rack is a storage solution required for the secure storage of one or more bikes indoors. Fortunately, this style of bike rack may be installed anywhere in your home, including the garage, the bedroom, the living room, the balcony, and other interior spaces. When it comes to discuss the benefits of a wall-mount bike rack, we consider some of the most crucial criteria that the rack must meet. They cannot carry your bikes unless bike racks attach to vehicles. Yet some of them may be portable, allowing you to move them around your home from one location to another. These bike racks have a few benefits. Thanks to their designs, you will have enough freedom and flexibility to plan and design the overall look of the area where you want to place the bike rack and your bikes. This bike rack is a lovely inside addition that looks great with or without the bike. Also, it keeps your bikes elevated, removing all potential exposure to the trash and ground clutter. With that, we have come to the end of this video. What do you think about these gadgets? Would they be helpful in your home to save some space? Do let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up. Also, share and subscribe to the channel. For videos like this, click on the links you see on the screen. You can also search for more videos in our playlist. We will meet again in another exciting episode. Thank you so much for watching. Until we see you next time, have a great day.